Good evening, everyone. You all know that the district president has been appointed of Uttar Pradesh districts. So I express my gratitude to the top leadership of Uttar Pradesh, Bharatiya Janata Party, for the appointment of district presidents and wish the newly appointed district presidents all the best and pray to God for the success of his this tenure. Uttar Pradesh is the largest state of India in terms of population, and the state has the highest number of districts. It is more difficult for the top leadership to appoint district presidents than in other states. This time, the top leadership has appointed district presidents from all sections as per their qualification on the basis of सबका साथ, सबका विकास, सबका विश्वास. And this time, the youth have also been given an opportunity for this important responsibility. And this is also right, because our country has the highest percentage of youth population. I think around 65%. And our illustrious Prime Minister, respected Shri Narendra Modi ji, had also appealed to join politics from Delhi BJP headquarters. So, to prove this inspiration of his, the youth have given full opportunity in the appointment, because the current technology and all the institutions that all exist at present, whether in the field of medical or in the field of infrastructure or in the field of rural development or in any other field, if the experience and the sharp intellect of the youth who see the future from this perspective will have all around development very fast. And on the resolution of the Prime Minister, if we all together fulfill the dream of a development India by 2047 by his stipulated time, then this will be our small gift to him, and he will also be proud of his countrymen. Once again, infinite best wishes to all the newly appointed district presidents, and we all together wish the Prime Minister, who will serve the people with full dedication, keeping in mind the vision of a new India for 1,000 years to come. So my friends, this is a very peak time, and I think we can say this is the best time of Sanatan Dharma, of Hindus, because in the center and in the state we have two saints, not a prime minister, not a chief minister, two saints. And this is the time, then if we will afford for the country, make a best country in the world, then our effort will be remarkable by the chief minister and the prime minister. And you know that this dream 2047 of developed India is demanding the contribution of 140 crores Indians in all fields in which they are working. Like if I am an advocate, so I have to do my work with full dedication and full truth. Likewise, if a doctor works full dedication and he keeps the nation first in his service, then we can say that we all are contributing to make the developed country. And this is our effort, this is our contribution to the country. Everything we should not keep that only the government duty to do all the things. We are the people of India and we have some duties towards our country, and we have to do those duties with full truth and full dedication and with hard work. You know that no work is small in the world. We have what is our thinking for the work. That is the important. If we think in the positive side, that work will become a worship of God and worship of our country. And if we think negative, like corruption, like untruth, like don't take serious of our duty, is all the negative things will impact on our country, and they will stop the success of our country. And we have to, what we are doing to make our India developed, maybe stop for some time, and that speed can be slow. So we all have to give their contribution in positive side, and we all have to think that this is our country, this is my country, and I have some responsibility for this. Not only become a politician. In any field you can serve the peoples. If you are a big doctor, then you can serve the poor peoples for free. And if you are an advocate, you can fight the cases of poor peoples not taking single penny. That is the most important thing when we will together will think about the country, then I can say we don't need to go 2047 for developing the country. It will become many years back, many years before. So I again congratulate to all the newly district presidents of Uttar Pradesh, and also say and also pray to God that you will do your work with full dedication, and your this who are you, Virendra Sharma ji? What are you saying? What is meaning? Tell me. Have you any problem? So I congratulate all the newly appointed district presidents of Uttar Pradesh to do great work in future and for success in their life. And I say to Mr. Virendra Sharma ji that if you think that I have drunk, so maybe it is right, but what I am doing, it's an inspiration to you and like those people who have thinking like you. You should learn that your child will today grow up and he should speak great English, and you demotivate, like your people, demotivate your children too. I have no problem what you are saying, but you will have to think that this type of your thinking is a barrier of the success of your children, not me. I have completed my success. But you have to change this type of mindset. I request you, if you want that your child and around the child are living, you will become the best engineer, best doctors of the world. So you have to first learn them English. And don't become the barrier. You have to inspire, you have to motivate to him. I respect you, maybe you are senior to me, but this type of language, I think this is not a literate people. What is the meaning of it? I really wonder. Thank you very much. Please change your mindset for your generation, younger generation. Thank you very much.